हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की वीडियो में। आज का हमारा ये क्वेश्चन है x प्लस 49 टू द होल रूट क्यूब माइनस x माइनस 49 टू द होल रूट क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x वेयर x इज अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। लेट्स सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी लेट m इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 49 टू द होल रूट क्यूब एंड द n इज इक्वल टू x minus 49 to the whole root cube. Therefore m cube is equal to x plus 49 and the same here is n cube is equal to x minus 49. Okay, so if you put the values in the above equation we get m minus n is equal to 2. It will be the equation. Now subtract this two term, m cube minus n cube. We get m cube minus n cube is equal to x plus 49 minus of x minus 49. It will be x plus 49 minus it will be x plus 49. X will be cancelled out. The 49 it will be 98. And elaborate the formula of a cube minus b cube. It will be elaborated as m minus n m square plus mn plus n square. Okay, m minus n m square, here we get minus 2 mn plus n square and plus 3 mn. If we subtract minus 2m from plus 3 mn we get plus 3 mn. Therefore m minus n, these terms will be m square minus 2 mn plus mn n square. It will be written as m minus n whole square plus 3 mn is equal to 98. Let's put the value of m minus n is equal to 2 here. It will be 2 and here is 2 square plus 3 mn is equal to 98. It will be 2 square is 4 plus 3 mn is equal to 98. Now just open the bracket. It will be 8 plus 6 mn is equal to 98. Take the 8 in the right side. 98 minus 8, so therefore 6 mn is equal to 90. Just cut it in, it will be into 15. Therefore mn is equal to 15. This is the equation 2. We all know that a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Just apply this formula in the mn term. So therefore m plus n whole square minus of m minus n whole square is equal to 4 mn. Okay, we have the value of mn and m minus n. Let's put it here. It will be m plus n whole square minus it will be 2 square is equal to 4 into 15. Therefore m plus n whole square is equal to 60 and this will be here minus 4. Sorry, it will be here 4 plus 4. M plus n whole square is equal to 60 plus 4 is 64, though 64 is the 8 square, so just implies the value. Therefore we get m plus n is equal to 8. This will be equation 3. Just add the equation 1 and equation 2 to derive the value of m. So m minus n plus m plus n is equal to 2 plus 8. I am just adding this equation 1 with the equation 3. 1 plus 3. Minus n plus n will be cancelled out. Therefore 2m is equal to 10. So m is equal to 5. If we just put the value of m in the equation 3, we get n is equal to 3. Okay. So now recall. We take m is equal to this and the n is equal to this. So just write it here. M cube is equal to x plus 49 and n cube is equal to x minus 49. Okay, let's put the value of m here. It will be 5 cube is equal to x plus 49. So therefore x is equal to 5 cube is 125 minus 49, it will here appear. So the x is equal to 76. Let's check it here. and the value of n is 3, so 3 cube is equal to x minus 49. So therefore x is equal to 3 cube is 27 minus 49, it will be here the left side, so it will positive 49. So therefore x is equal to 76. So we can conclude the value x is equal to 76, and this is the final answer. Have a good day. Thank you.